Ellen Eckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the weekly options alert before we get to your trade of the day. Taking a good look at this market, what do you think?
Financial flush out, that's how bottoms get put in. Call it a comeback because we had new relative lows, new 5-month lows, and actually closed essentially unchanged, almost positive on the day.
On the S&P 500 at least, but people are talking about this 200-day moving average being violated. So what do you think?
So some people are pushing these technical numbers, but I think it's just the psychology. The markets had some profit taking. We went down, shook out those lows one more time, and then had a big comeback. So let's see if we can get some follow through this week.
Now, one of the areas that was very hard hit in the market, the oil stocks were down, as you know, and you've had a couple of oil plays on. Let's start with Sunoco.
Yeah, holding up pretty well. The stock's sitting around 29. We've got the 27.5 calls, and this is the reason we trade options, because we have plenty of time and we've got limited risk. These are November options, so there's 3 weeks of time here, and we can see if Sunoco can get back above 30.50, then it's going to make a move up to 33. So we're in a nice position for a bit of a bounce.
Another name also in the oil patch, PBR.
Petrobrazil. Now, Petrobrazil, we've got the $14 calls again for November. We're sitting around 15.75. Keep hitting this 16 level. If it pushes through there, then we're looking at 17.50 and a nice payoff.
So what is your Agora WPI trade trigger telling you for this week?
Smart money has been pouring into Hewlett Packard. Now, this is a stock that ran up to multi-year highs at 27 here just recently. Then we're pulling back. We're sitting around the 24 level. We're looking at the November option, the $21 call, 3 weeks of time. 21 is the bottom for this stock in 2018. So we're looking for tech to get a little bit of a spark once again.
But as you know, tech has been tumbling lately.
But it's still up 15% in 2018.
Okay, that's a very excellent point. Let's take a look at your trading floor takeaways for the day.
Number one, test and reject. What we saw yesterday was a move down to month-to-month lows and back to unchanged. That's a very positive technical sign if it can get some follow through. This happened again last March, let's remember, and the market went straight up after that.
Number two on your list.
Oil's well. So we've had 4 10% moves in 2018 in oil to the downside. Now, 3 of them did recover and make new 4-year highs. So let's look for the same once again.
Good for the market, not so good for my gas tank sometimes. And number 3 on your list.
PE-ME. So now with this pullback in stocks, price to earnings ratio has declined and stocks are cheaper in relative terms. We're at 15.9 PE, which is now below the 5-year low. So stocks are now cheaper than they were last year, the year before that, the year before that, the year before that.
So you do like stocks on sale?
Yes, I do.
Thanks for coming on the show and have a great trading day.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.